Hello everyone, welcome to the T strategy. Now before we start our tutorials, I'm going to be sharing with you what most forex trader on YouTube or what most successful traders and strategy creators won't share with you. Now today I'm mainly going to be talking about the boom and crash. Then throughout my videos I won't be hiding my setting, but all you just need to do is where you don't understand, you can ask a question. My WhatsApp number are in others of my video, and then you just need to listen and watch carefully so that you know how does this strategy work, when does it work, what time of the day is it, how does the strategy react to price action and other things. Now I'm going to tell a little secret about boom and crash so that whenever you're trading boom and crash or anything in the derivative like the synthetic indices, you should have this in mind. You know the normal currency pair market, the dollar, USD, Japanese yen, euro. Those rates, those forex or those instruments, if you notice, anytime there is an event, a global event or news, it affects it. I've been trading this forex market and synthetic indices for more than 3 years now, so I've gotten a vast and a wide knowledge about it. So most most especially in the forex market has to do with real time market, how demand and supply affect the market. So anytime there is an event or maybe a global event, it also affects the market. Let me say, for example, if in the forex market the market is on a downtrend, and maybe let's say oil price spikes or something like that happen, you see that it will affect the market. So even if you don't have any idea about forex, you can use the news to trade forex and still make your money. But then, do you ask your question? The boom and crash market, although sometimes you see a sharp spike going up, what affect this market? Like, what really control this market? Is it still the law of demand and supply that affect this market to go up and down, or is there any kind of news that affect this market? Now I'm going to tell you. Forex market is based on real time, and the secret to boom and crash is that boom and crash is based on a third party. Actually, what I mean to say is that someone is actually controlling boom and crash. And what this means is that even if the market is actually obeying the law of demand and supply, and then the owners of the market, if they are going on a loss, want to change the market in their favor. That's why sometimes you notice all these gap, and sometimes a strategy that you're using after a very long time, the thing has issues. And most of the time also, if you're using price action alone to trade the boom and crash market, sometimes it disrespects those things. Even support and resistance levels, sometimes you just break and pass it without retesting, unlike how the normal forex market will do. Why does this thing happen? Now is because someone is actually controlling the market. Not that they do it every time, but they control the market once in a while. I've been with this thing day and night. I've seen it happen multiple times. You can trade a whole demo account for a very long time, nothing will happen. But once you put in your dollar into this, man, Lord have mercy. Your money is gonna go flying. Seriously, your money is gonna go flying. So now, the question is, how then do we trade boom and crash and make profit? Because boom and crash can easily put you, or in a split second, put you in profit, and also in a split second, it can put you in losses because their spike does not respect stop loss. Unlike the forex market, that if you get into the market, after some time, it's going to put you in profit or it's going to continue in the loss. No, boom and crash is not like that. So, what really affects this market? How do I observe this market? Now, there are three things you need to trade the boom and crash market successfully and to know how it works. Number one, you have to use a lagging indicator. A lagging indicator. Yeah. Secondly, you have to use a pending indicator, and lastly, you have to trade with price action. And if I should add a little of my secret, I'll say you also have to use a momentum indicator. Yeah, a momentum indicator. So if you have all those things, you'll be able to trade this market successfully.